This is an instructional video for Writer's Choice Grammar 10.6, Main Verbs and Helping Verbs. Main or principal parts of a verb have four parts. There's the base form. We're going to use the word act. There's no ending to the word act. In the present tense, we can make it a present participle. That means we add an ing ending. So act turns into acting. We can make it a past form, put an ed ending on it, acted. Or we can add a helping verb and make that a past participle with that ed ending, had acted. Now, the helping verbs help the main verb out. They tell more about an action or make a statement. And a verb phrase is that helping verb plus a verb. So it's always two words. For example, they are acting. Are is your helping verb. Acting is your main verb. And the most common helping verbs you're going to see, especially for this assignment, will be be. And be can come in other forms. Am, is, are, was, and were are all forms of be. Have and do. Now, have has other forms. Has, had, that sort of thing. Do has other forms. Did, does, and that sort of thing. And then there's some other ones here. Being, been, does, did, shall, should, will, would, may, might, must, can, could, and need. Those are all helping verbs. Now I have a brief 23-second video I'm going to show you. It's catchy. It's to the tune of Jingle Bells. It's kind of annoying, but it will help stick these helping verbs in your mind. Let's watch that.
Helping verbs, there are 23. Am, is, are, was, and were, being, been, and be. Have, has, had, do, does, did, shall, should, will, and would. There were 5 more helping verbs, may, might, must, can, could.
Okay, for Writer's Choice 10.6, main verbs and helping verbs, same sort of information that was just shown in the video. I did put the extra helping verbs here under your blue box list. For exercise 11, 1 through 10, you're going to choose the verb phrase. So you're going to have a helping verb up here in your charts, or a form of one of the words in that chart, plus a verb. So number 1, stage hands are preparing the scenery. So what is our helping verb? Is stage hands up here? No. Is are up here? Yes. So our first helping verb is going to be are. Is preparing a verb? Yes. So are preparing would be your choice. So that's how you do 1 through 10. 5, there are 2, so make sure you click 2 of the check boxes there for number 5. When we get to exercise 12, number 11 through 20, you're going to choose the correct helping verb in parentheses, and then tell once you've picked, does that make the sentence present tense or past tense? So number 11, now groups are or have performing dramas on television. So now groups are performing dramas on television, or now groups have performing dramas on television. Well, are makes sense. So it's going to be one of these two options, first or second option. Are performing, is that happening now, or did that happen in the past? Performing has an ing ending. That means it's happening now. If it was ed, performed, that would be past. But this is present, so we're going to say are performing, performing's present. So are and present. Okay, and that's the gist of exercise 12 and 10.6.